Hi, I'm Evgeny from E&A Partners company. Today I'm going to show you the result of our latest project. In our previous video, we showed you the renovation process of this property and shared our forecast on future income and ROI of this investment. You can find the link to our previous video in the description below. We have finished the renovation and already leased this office with a long-term contract. We have managed to meet the timelines of this project and even made the renovation cheaper than we planned. Here are some numbers. The initial investment in a property purchase was less than 1,300 per square meter. The entire project cost was $298 per square meter. So the total investment was $1,560 per square meter. And overall project execution from purchase to lease took 4 months. Annual return is 18.1%. Project payback is in 5.5 years. IRR is 30.4%. And capital appreciation is plus 51% based on a cap rate of 12%. So, enough numbers. Let's watch a video of how the office turned out in the end. We hope that you like the design of our space. If you have any comments, leave them below or contact us directly if you want to invest with us. That's it. Thanks for watching.